Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you'd be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 2. And we are learning unit number 6, and its topic is Caterpillar Garden. So yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 3, we will learn about pointing words, how we can point different things. Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already we have learned about use of this, that, these and those on page number 77. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, and today we are going to learn further about it. Illustrate the use of words that point to something, that which words we use to point things. Okay, so today we will learn about that. So my dear students and my dear teacher, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 2, this is the book of Allah. There is no doubt in it. It is a guidance for the pious. Subhanallah, my dear students. This is the book. Which book? Yes, you're right. Definitely Al-Quran. Okay, so this book is a guidance for the Muslims, for the pious people. Means what you have in your life, you are facing any problem in your life, so you can get guidance from this book. This book is the book of Almighty Allah. Have got that? This is a gift for us, my dear students, that in our life, wherever we face problem, wherever we face difficulties, so we can get guideline through this book. Is it clear? So this book of Allah. So this, yes, there is a word this. So let's see which type of words these are. Where do we use words this, that, these, those? What are pointing words? Yes, my dear students, now it's your turn to brainstorm your knowledge, because already we have learned about pointing words in our grade 1. So pause the video and tell to your teacher what are pointing words and where we use this, that, these and those. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have reminded that where we have to use such pointing words. Okay, now let's see how and where we can use them. Yes, we use this, these to refer to people and things that are close to the speaker. We use that, those for things that are far. Two things are very compulsory, my dear students, while using these pointing words. Okay, we use things like this and these when we talk about people or things those are close to the speaker. Suppose speaker means that one is speaking, as I am speaking, so I am a speaker. Okay, so I am speaking and pen is near to me, so what I will say, this is a pen and I am pointing that pen. Got it? This is a pen. If that is far away, I can say that in this way, like that is a pen. So it in this way, now it is far away. Okay, so then that, and if it is near to me, like in this way, so this is a pen. So it means I am speaking, so I am speaker, and if things are near to me while speaking, so then I will use this and these. If things are far away while speaking time, so what we will use? Yes, we will use that and those. So let's see, few examples are there. Yes, there's these and those. See there, when there is a one thing, got it? When there is a one thing, then what we will use? This apple. Look, that he is pointing and that apple is near to him. Try to get, my dear students, that apple is near to him because this apple, okay, near to him, to whom that one is pointing. And see in this example, see there, that apple. Okay, this is that apple, and that is far away from that person that is pointing to that apple. Have you got that? And that apple is a singular. Okay, when there is one person or one thing. So what we will use? We will use this or that. This we have to use when the thing is so near us, and we will use that when the thing is far away. Have you got that? Good. Next, when there are things two or more than two. Okay, it can be two things or more than two things. You can see these cherries. Got it? Look there. He is pointing and so near. Have you seen the difference, my dear students? And those cherries, you can see they're far away and more than one thing. Okay, so when the things are plural means more than one things, then we will use these and those. Now it's up to the thing that the thing is near to us or far away. Is it clear? Good job. So next, near thing, we use this, used to refer to a person or a thing that is near the speaker as all. Like this book. You have a lot of things, my dear students, in front of you. Okay, that book is in your hand. You can see this book, and that book is in your friend's hand and he is far away. So you can point that book. Is it clear? So you are away from your whiteboard. Okay, so you can see that is a whiteboard. In this way, when we are speaking things and we are pointing, so we have to be careful that where is the position of that thing is near to us or far away. So according to this, we have to use pointing word. Next is that, far away things, that used to refer to a person, thing that is a distant from the speaker. Distant mean far away. Okay, away from the speaker. Like can say that book. Is it clear? Good. Next examples are same like that. Use of these when more than two things. Okay, two things are more than two things. Then we have to use these, but for near things. When while talking, these things are. So you can say that these are. See there. These are things. Because now I have two things and these two things are so near to me. So these are things. Can say that. Okay, no matter these are two different things, but these are things because these are so near to me, and if I'll keep away, you can see that, then I can say them. That are things. Have you got that? In this way you can. Now I have used those. Those are things. Why I have used? Because there are two things. If I'll say just single, so then that is a thing. Those are things. This is a thing. These are things. Have you got that? Good job. Excellent. Same like that. Those. Okay, used to refer to people or things that are distant from the speaker, and those are plural. More than two. Clear? Good job. Another example. This is a rabbit. These are rabbits. Have you got that? And we have to be careful for our verb also, my dear students. If the thing is singular, so we have to use is. Keep remember, if the thing is plural, so we have to use are. Clear? Next, that is a cat. Those are cats. Is it clear, my dear students? Good job. So now, open your book, page number 51. We are going to read about the pointing words. Okay. So, use of this, that. This is my bag. You can read that. Read with me. Yes. This is my bag. Where is yours? She is asking that. This is my bag. Where is yours? So, see there. What he replied? That is my bag. He is pointing. That is my bag. Okay. Next. These are my books. Look, he has books in his hand. Where are yours? He is telling that these are my books, where are yours? So see there? Yes, he is pointing because books are far away. Those are my books. Is it clear? Good. Now it's an activity time. So we are moving toward an activity. So yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, you have to divide class into two groups. Teacher will keep pointing to different objects and students will keep guessing what teacher is pointing at by saying a complete sentence. You can see there, here is also guideline, point out the class objects and use pointing words to teach the concepts of this, that, these, those. Also use classroom environment to tell about the use of is, am, are. Okay, already I have discussed that. With singular we have to use is, and if the things are plural, so we have to use are. Okay, this is, suppose there is an example. This is a flower pot, that is a wall. So yes, my dear teacher, in this way you have to perform this activity. You have to point different things around the class and then you will discuss it with your students. So pause the video, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Good job. Welcome back, and I hope you have done it and you have enjoyed during this activity. Good job, my dear students. So next, what you have to do, you have to do this on your notebook. Question number 7 is there. Write simple sentences in your notebook by using this, that, these, and those. So yes, my dear teacher, you have to give this activity individually in your class in their notebook as a classwork. So I am waiting for you and perform this activity in your class. Good, my dear students. I hope you have done it in a nice way and in an excellent way. Good job. So what's your homework? You will look around your house and make 8 sentences of different naming words that are far or nearby using pointing words. You have to write different sentences according to the naming words by using pointing words. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we should see that how they can use different pointing words to point out naming words. So what we have learned today, we learned today to illustrate the use of words that point something. And in this way, we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed and you have got that how we can use different pointing words to point out different naming words. Okay, so tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.